Yeah, good morning, everybody. Good morning. This one is not live, but it's just video because I can't go live at the moment because of the network. I am in Wedza in the villages, and we are cooking for in-laws. They are coming, so there's beef here, marinated beef with like you all know, with this one, yeah, and I put rosemary, as you can see, and what a turmeric and turmeric. So it's boiling there. We did an egg here. I did an egg here. Yeah, we're going to eat with egg and onion. We're going to have what is it called? We are going to have tea, and we are boiling our water here for tea, and we are going to make tea. And there's the chicken, and the chicken now I need to marinate the chicken. Can I have lemon, Sharon, please? Check that one. So, and then we are going to marinate. I'm going to marinate the chicken as well. Yeah, that's enough. Now what you need to do? Okay. Can I have a cup, Sharon? Can you get me a cup somewhere? I need a cup. Dipo cup, Shami. So, okay, because we don't want the seeds to go in our chicken, so I have to marinate the whole lemon. I'm using the fruit, as you can see. I always say when you are cooking your chicken, lemon, it has a lot of taste. Can you remove the seeds, please? The what it does is in a fork or something, but it's okay. Yeah, so we do even we cook nice meals, even though we are in the villages. The skills doesn't stay in England. So I have a turmeric here. Can you hold this in my place and focus there? So I have a tablespoon of turmeric. I have all-purpose seasoning. So I need maybe how many chickens? Maybe four chickens in there, 4 beds. 1, 2, 3. That's for our salt. And I have rosemary, maybe 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Yes, and then a lot of water. Can someone pour some water here? Any. And then we are going to let's just check the kuna chirungere mere namkara makamira ipapo munovhingidza chirungu changu. Yeah, it's boiling. The chicken, the beef is boiling now. That's enough. You look, that's our chicken. There we are. Oh yeah. Let me see if I can turn the camera to myself. Can you see me? Love you guys. God bless you. Stay blessed. Bye.